Hello everyone, this video we shall be looking at subtraction of mixed fraction. Let's look at some examples. We have 8 whole number 9 over 10 minus 3 whole number 2 over 3 equals to 8 times 10 plus 9 divided by 10 minus 3 times 3 plus 2 all over 3. So 8 times 10 plus 9 is 89 over 10 minus 11 over 3. So the LCM here is 30. 10 into 30 is 3. 3 times 89 is 267 minus 3 into 30 is 10. 10 times 11 is 110. So we have 267 minus 110 is 157 over 30. So 157 divided by 30, you have 5 whole number 7 over 30. 2 whole number 1 over 5 minus 1 whole number 1 over 2 is equals to 2 times 5 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 times 2 plus 1 all over 2 is equals to 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11 over 5 minus 1 times 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. So the LCM here is 10. 5 into 10 is 2 times 11 is 22 minus 5. 2 into 10 is 5 times 3 is 15. Equals to 22 minus 15 is 7 over 10. 2 whole number 1 over 9 minus 1 whole number 1 over 6. So here you have 2 times 9 plus 1 over 9 minus 1 times 6 plus 4 over 6. So here you have 19 over 9 minus 10 over 6. The LCM is 54. So 9 into 54 is 6 times 19 is 114 minus 6 into 54 is 9. 9 times 10 is 90. So 114 minus 90 is 24 over 54. So 24 over 54. So you have 2 here, you have 12. 2 here, you have 27. So you have 12 over 27. 3 here, you have 4. 3 here, you have 9. So Your final answer is 4 over 9. For whole number 3 over 9 minus 2 whole number 4 over 6 is equals to 4 times 9 plus 3 all over 9 minus 2 times 6 plus 4 all over 6. 4 times 9 plus 3 is 39 over 9 minus 2 times 6 plus 4 is 16 over 6. So the LCM is 54. So 9 into 54 is 6. 6 times 39 is 234 minus 6 into 54 is 9. 9 times 16 is 144. So 234 minus 144 is 90 over 54. So you divide it, you have one whole number 36 over 54. Thank you for watching.